whispers of the breeze over mountains and the seas, silent valleys cold and bright, shadows dancing in the night. Wingspan wide and colors blend, follow trails the rivers send, climb the peaks and kiss the clouds in a world where lone is loud. High above the earth below, where the stars and spacemen go, through the air and through the time, metrics drone flights run. Whispers of the trees so tall, echoes of the waterfall, through the canyons vast and deep, secrets that the forests keep. Desert sands and icy plains, rolling hills and winding lanes, every sea a silent song, worlds unseen it moves along. High above the earth below, where the stars and spacemen go, through the air and through the time, metrics drone flights run. High above the earth below,